How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the M2 Motor YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be putting a little bit of work on the Scion XB. I've noticed after the last DIY, the oil change, I've been driving around town, noticed the gas mileage isn't as good as it used to be. So there can be a couple factors that lead to that. One of the most common is the tire pressure, which this car I've checked multiple times. It's fine. One of the symptoms that the car has a little bit after I drive it for a while is a little bit of a rough idle. So usually that is, just takes a little bit of cleaning on with the map sensor, which I'm gonna do today, and then also cleaning the intake filter, which hasn't been done in a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and take care of that. Hopefully that fixes everything. I just wanted to show you, the steps for this particular car, making it real easy. These are beginner type maintenance items that you can do yourself, and just make sure your car is running great. So go ahead and enjoy. So as you can see here, the engine bay is actually pretty dirty from all my trips to Southern California and back. The air filter itself doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it anyway since I'm taking everything out. As you can see on the valve cover, there's a lot of dust, dirt, and grime. Just a lot of desert driving, so that's pretty normal. Since I have to take the filter out, I might as well just take the whole intake out and clean everything. It's a lot easier because I have to remove this anyway, so I'll just go ahead and take apart the whole thing. So go ahead and enjoy watching me do that. As you can see, it took me maybe 30 seconds to take all this apart. It was real easy. And upon taking it apart and getting a little closer to everything, the sensor on the outside housing is actually pretty dirty, and so is the inside of the intake pipe. The filter itself can use a wash also, so I'm gonna go ahead and do all that right now and start taking it all apart. Here it is taken apart. As you can see, it happened real quick, real easy. So yeah, it's got a fair amount of dust and dirt on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that and the filter and wash out the inside intake pipe and kind of let it air dry. While I'm letting this dry, you can obviously see here that it's been really dirty. Don't mind that's a shot of my hand holding the camera, but if you can see here, there's a lot of dirt and just dust that came off the sensor. So I did a couple rounds of sprays with it to really clean it out, and so it should be good to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash the intake out and get that done. Didn't want to bore you with washing an air filter out and an intake pipe, but pretty much here it is. The filter is actually a more vibrant blue now instead of a brownish dirty blue, so I'm really happy about that. That means the filter was pretty dirty. The intake pipe as well, I rinsed out the inside of the pipe and it was pretty nasty as well. So happy I did this today and decided to share with all of you on some basic maintenance. I'm just waiting for everything to dry before I put it back together and start the car, and it should be running pretty good after this. As you can see here, I have the intake already assembled again, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the car. It's only take me but a few seconds. Like I said, that was quick and easy. I'm all done here. Just got to start up the car and we're good to go. Thanks again for tuning in. If you haven't already, please hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. Definitely do appreciate it. And thank you to everybody that's been supporting the channel and the company. Definitely do check out our social media and website. Until then, take care. See you on the next episode.